So we're here at Mickey K's today. We're gonna attack the starter motor. Who's gladly giving us a hand removing the starter motor up there. So what we ended up doing, instead of getting a factory one or a second-hand one, we didn't want to chance it. We got like a Bosch starter motor with 5-year warranty, and we're gonna swap it in and see if we can get the car started. Alright, so I've brought the car in at Mickey K's. We're diagnosing what the issues were around the engine bay, and we couldn't work out. Everything sort of looked in place. And then Mick sort of lent us a hand and got under there and just took the starter motor in and out in under 20 minutes. So let's see if she'll fire up. Whoop. There you go. Well, there's that.
Alright, done.
20 minutes, eh?
I'm gonna go wash my hands.
Not bad. Thanks, Mick.
Oh, sorry.